Hello, welcome to Avi-Go. I'm Candice, and today I'll guide you through our aircraft search feature. Using advanced algorithms and real-time data, this tool helps you find available aircraft quickly and efficiently. Okay, let's get started with using aircraft search. To get started, log into your Avi-Go account. Once you're in, navigate to the aircraft search section. Select your trip type one-way, round trip, or multi-city. Next, enter your departure and arrival cities, or airports, along with the dates, the number of passengers, and aircraft categories. Click the search button and you'll see the search results. On the page, you can browse various aircraft options, each displaying aircraft, current status, category, basic information, operator, and price. On the left side of the page, we offer filters to narrow down your search results. As you adjust the filters, the results will automatically update on the right side. If you need to start over, simply click the reset button. After refining your search, browse the available aircraft and click on a specific one to view aircraft specifications, operator information, and trip details. For advanced insights, we offer the customized flight analytics report. Here, you'll find comprehensive advice for your trip, route information, airport information, weather conditions, and more. Now, with the tailored insights, you can select suitable aircraft. Click the Submit button. If needed, you can leave a message for the operator here. Once you're ready, click Submit to finalize your requests. Okay, integrate Avi-Go's aircraft search tool into your daily operations today. Experience enhanced efficiency, improved accuracy, and boosted business performance. Thank you for watching!